start the concert with the promise of a greener tomorrow and change the seat of the rice. Once again, we have Chief Minister as the inaugurator and Chief Guest.
Service, Deputy Director of Foreign Trade, National Trading, Malaysia, Sri National Alliance Association of India. In this context, the president whose active collaboration is central the Department of Chemical and Polymer Engineering.
From pioneering rubber and
National Agarwood Conclave and Vice President. You are standing in a city whose very name tells our story, that is Agartala, the land of Agar. And because of this Agartala has been named. Already my former speakers already have mentioned about it. The royal families of Tripura named this capital after the fragrant trees of Agar that once filled this region completely. Now that has been shifted to North Tripura and Unapudi district. This is not marketing, this is history. Agarwood is woven into Tripura's identity, culture and way of life. You will be happy to know that whenever I meet our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, he often asks about Agarwood and he takes personal interest in this sector. Already, my previous speaker already has mentioned that how much he has emphasized for the growth of this Agarwood in northeastern region and particularly in Tripura. The agar tree, its botanical name is Equularia species that belongs to fungi kingdom, we know it. And it produces agarwood, a dark, fragrant, resinous wood formed when the tree gets infected by this mold, that is this fungi. We didn't have any idea, although we belong to Agartala or from Tripura, that this kind of agar also will be our future. This GST will be increased because of that. Now creating, by this inauguration of this mold, creating a highly prized material for incense, perfumes and even traditional medicine too, especially valued in Asia and Middle East.
All of us together, not it is Prasadra Badarapu alone, the union government, state government, Department of Environment and Forest, DGFT, CITES, all the offices, if we collaborate together and simplify the processes, then only it can happen. When I took this talk, that what was the business last year? It is only around some 16 kilograms. And we sold it for 1 crore rupees. Now, people sitting here, you all must feel, itna kam. But one thing, I am so happy about it. ये जो 16 किलोग्राम बाहर दुबई में गया है, इसका जो क्वालिटी है, ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड ने सेटिस्फाई किया. It meets the global standard. The oil which has been exported from here, it has not been rejected by them. So it proved the quality of Tripura agar is of world standard. So we have to accept this fact and we have to move on from here. Now, to my information, what is there in Tripura? Right now, I think 15 Agarwood factories are actively operational in North Tripura. 27 licensed agar sellers are there. 7 licensed processing units are there. We want more. The only thing is value addition and vertical integration that we have to make, which I have said, that forest to fragrance.